Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can pay on eBay with a Visa gift card. So first is you have to check the card balance and then make sure that it covers the full purchase amount including the shipping and the taxes. So you have to go to the eBay checkout. So let me just check if I have products here on my card. So yeah, let me just find random products right here. Okay, so let me just tap on this one. Okay, and then let me just purchase this product. Okay, so it costs too much, so let me just use this as an example. So tap on the buy now option. So yeah, let me just check that as guess. Then after that, right here, you just have to type out your first name. Okay, and then your last name. So for your payment method, you have the Visa. Here we have the card, the PayPal, and the PayPal credit. So make sure you just have to select the add new card, and then you have here Visa gift card. So you just have to make sure that the Visa gift card number is correct, the expiration date, and the CVV code, usually on the back of your card. So you can use your address, enter the billing address you registered with a gift card, and then just have to complete the purchase. If the payment is approved, then you are done. Just have to make sure that your gift card has a balance that could cover the total cost of this purchase. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.